Are y'all at the end? Ah! No! No! I fell!
Drippy, 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 swag. Drippy, 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 drippy.
I'm always up for challenges. So if you guys have any challenges,
Look to the left, Trey. Or the mountain.
yeah, see, I would not want to go up that mountain. That mountain is way too high.
That's where we're going.
Wait, why are we going down? We supposed to be going up, not down, bro. What the freak, bro? And then we gotta go back. I mean, on the way back, it probably be quicker. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Did you see that? Oh my, bro, huh? Bro,
I heard it like vividly,
bro, the whole time I was just trying to save my camera, bro. Watch your step, watch your step. The whole time I was saving my camera. You okay? You okay?
Someone else like bury my phone.
Bro.
Not me, because I am the luckiest person here.
Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god. Bro, I'm glad I caught myself. Because, bro, it could have been a whole lot.
I was trying to go slow.
Yeah.
There's like nothing to hold on to. Either.
Yeah, I was like, yeah. So you can just like carry my phone. It's waterproof.
Do you want me to carry your bag?
No, it's not. If you want to, you can, but like,
Bro.
that's not gonna help my balance.
Okay.
I'm literally just clumsy, and that's the reality.
Yeah, it's all about. And then there's, bro, it's. Oh my god, bro.
I don't even know about this.
She said go in that side. We're gonna let you go first.
I'm already in the mud.
I'm gonna take Bobby route. Oh, mud, my feet, mud.
Oh my god.
Oh, bro, it's so slippery. And it's like just water just flowing down now.
Yeah.
And then we gotta go back that way. Oh, bro, I just literally stuck my foot in mud. Oh, my Lord. Alright, so this is not what I thought it would be. Honestly, like, I did not expect any of this. Alright, we can't stand on these rocks. You gotta move forward. Can we just, like, get to dry land? Please. Oh my. At this point, I'm just gonna start walking through it, like.
Join the party, man. You never know how deep your foot's gonna go.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I don't want to. This is crazy. Bro, stuff keep getting caught in my hair.
We're almost there.
I mean, we could never almost be there because we have to go back.
To the top.
Oh, I just stuck in a whole puddle of mud.
We're almost to that halfway point.
Halfway?
You have to turn around.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about like halfway to the top. I'm gonna need me a good meal after this.
Yeah, so I'm going down again.
Oh man. Oh.
We have a bridge.
Just don't trip on the bridge. You said what?
Did you not close my backpack?
Yeah?
Why did this just fall out of it? Rip this backpack?
Okay.
Is it closed?
No, it's like open. Come on. I'll check and see if the same item's still in there.
I just felt a big clunk and I was like, what just happened?
Yeah, everything. Yeah. just been a crazy trail. Crazy trail. Oh, I should have put on Nike Run so I can see how far we've been running. See, I'm just gonna stop talking about being at the top because it seems like we're never getting there.
I just don't know how those people ran.
I don't. I just don't understand.
Got the waterfall.
Oh man.
Scenic.
How do you feel, Bobby?
Pretty hungry.
I'm surprised nobody suggested turning around yet.
See, I suggested it at least 10 times in my head. I'm like, let's turn around, please, please.
It would just be more suffering.
Yeah, and then on top of that, we never know how far we done came. Oh, ooh. This point, I'm finna just start walking in the middle of it. Yo, I just had to take a moment to just like show you guys this freaking view. Like, look, bro, like we're literally all the way up the mountain, and you see how long it took. Like we done been through some crazy stuff. Look at my shoes. Look at my feet. Look at this. Look at all this mud. That's freaking crazy, bro. That's freaking crazy, bro. This actually interesting to do. Like this is actually something I did not expect to happen while doing this trail. I didn't even expect all the mud to happen. I ain't expect none of this stuff. Like everything that you guys done see, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching, bro. Hey, with Jerk That Shit, we lit, baby. Comment your funniest part of the video. Like just comment your favorite part of the video. Let me know some more things that I could do while I'm out here, cause you guys been telling me a lot of things to do, a lot of things from trying Puerto Rican food, trying candy, zip lining, cave tubing, a lot of stuff. You guys told me a lot of stuff to do out here in Puerto Rico, and I thank you guys for that. Hey, just be patient. Hey, videos coming, baby. Hey, we lit, we freaking lit, baby. We freaking lit, bro. But I done almost bust my hiney 1,000 times this video. Like, count up how many times I done bust my butt, stepped in some mud. Been a lot of times. And they freaking left me. Oh, count that time too. So 11, hold on, 7 miles. Did I say 7 miles to end of trail? Oh heck nah. Is this a 7? That's at 11 kilometers to end of trail. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, bro. And now I'm by myself. Oh my god. They freaking left me. Thanks a lot, Dilly and Bobby. You guys are great. Freaking left me. I would run and try to find them, but ain't no telling how far they are. And if it wasn't for my athletic skills, I probably would have bust my butt plenty of times. So, shoot. It's really crazy. This is so freaking slippery. Yeah! Are y'all at the end? Ah! No! No! Are y'all at the end? I fell! Oh my god. They gonna run back. I know, bro. My freaking camera. Bro. I don't fail and bust. Hold on. I'm gonna set this camera up right here. That's a good thing I like about having a tripod. I can just set my camera up in. Bro, Drip Nation, bro, I freaking love y'all, man. We done came a long way together. My camera is going dead. I'm just gonna start try to record on my phone. Like, if anything else happen, we get to the top of the mountain, I'm gonna record on my phone. But from here on out, I'ma just end it on my camera because my camera is going dead. I did not expect this to happen.
A few moments later.
my clothes got way worse. Update. Clothes got way worse. I'm not never doing anything like this again. If this the top, bro, is this what we're walking to? Cause it seems like we got closer and closer to this. This was a bad idea. This was a freaking bad idea, like the worst idea ever. And literally, bro, I'm just like walking like I'm ashamed of myself now. I just lost. Like, I honestly don't even care. I don't even care anymore. Like, it's just worthless now. Stuff in the walls. I don't step in this much. How big is it? I don't know how big this is. But I done stepped in so much mud today, bro. And like, you guys can like hear how my voice sound, bro. If you guys ever decide to come, stepped in the worst part of mud. If you guys ever decide to like do this, please come. Oh! Fuck my life. Just come when it haven't been raining at least a week, so you know for a fact. Oh my God. You good? Yo. You subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, thank you. So yeah, I just gave them my YouTube cards. I have business card, YouTube cards for those y'all that don't freaking know. But what kills me is that, oh my God! I give up! I give up! Yes! I almost don't count. Oh my God, bro. I should have asked them how far. But the thing is, like, it's like, ever since I've been in San Juan, like, telling people that I have a YouTube channel and stuff, like, it's fun to do. Like, it's, like, amazing to do because I'm networking at the same time. But it's like, when I don't know Spanish and all they speak is Spanish, it's, like, so hard trying to translate that, bro. Like, honestly. But this is it. This is, I don't even think we're like a quarter of a mile to the top. I don't know. But I'll update you guys on limit. Let me just walk through this or catch up with them.
20 minutes later.
No. You have to do it. I did it. You have to do it. I've already
fallen like 6 times.
It's alright, Bobby. Bobby, come walk this way, like right here. You have to, bro. You haven't failed or anything, bro. Come on, you have to get muddy. You have to get muddy. Come on, Bobby. Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Your socks.
I did that for you, Trey.
Bobby.
Finish this hike.
Bobby, bro.
Are you putting this on your YouTube channel or your Snapchat?
YouTube.
Okay. I wonder if we watch this hike for,
Yeah.
for
Start
later
to finish.
purposes. Yes.
See, where did we go wrong?
I got a lot of editing to do.
Once we thought the mud was contained there.
It just get worse and worse as you go along. Oh shoot. Just look at that. You can tell I'm recording on my phone too. Like, mud is in my shoe. struggling here. Trying to get to the top. Seems like we got wind. Hopefully I don't slip again. Hopefully it's getting really like narrow. I don't feel so many times. Both of my hands are just dirt on them. And it got like some kind of smell. Oh, we have like stairs. I thought we were at the top. Is this the top? Are y'all at the top? Never mind. Kissing this enough. But we still have ways to go. And I'm freaking tired. I haven't eaten or drinking anything this morning. So hopefully I don't get dehydrated to the point I start getting headaches and stuff. I don't have nothing to snack on. Nothing. But at this point, it just feels like a lot of stairs. Like I'm going up a lot of stairs. Freaking tired. I'm freaking tired, bro. Freaking tired. I'm freaking tired. We at the top? Are we at the top, really? Are we really at the top?
There's a little bit more probably, but come check it out.
Are we really at the freaking top? Oh my god. Bro, we're at the freaking top. At the top of the freaking world. I thought I would never see this. I want to keep going. Alright. Bro, we at the freaking top of the world, bro. Oh my god, we finally made it up here, bro. Bro, it look beautiful up here. I'm still tired though. I can see all of Puerto Rico. All of Puerto Rico. I can see all of Puerto Rico. Like we're literally, I think I'm literally with the clouds. We're gonna keep going, baby. We're gonna keep going. Well, I can say I climbed my first mountain. I climbed my first mountain, bro. It feels so good. It feels so freaking good. I hope you guys not hearing the wind right now. But it feels so freaking good. I climbed my first mountain. It was freaking crazy. It was a rough one. This is rough. This is freaking crazy. This is freaking crazy. End of trail. End of trail, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, freaking sir. This is crazy, bro. This is unbelievable. Who would thought I would do something like this? Who would think I would do something like this? Like, honestly, like, would you guys ever thought that I would be doing something like this today? Look better than what you was looking at out. How you feel right now? You see this,
amazing.
You see this end of trail sign?
Just to see the sign.
How you feel?
Oh my god! God bless America and Puerto Rico!
Amazing.
Yes. It's freaking lit. Okay?
Wow.
Drippy, 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 swag, drippy, drippy, swag, drippy, drippy. 100.